Alright, so they're grading the road here, but I gotta pull out real tight. I don't want to clip my mailbox, so I gotta go all the way out to the road. This spot is actually really hard to put together. There we go. Diamond Pro X2 mulcher. I have about 450 hours on it, I think, and we sucked the heel in. It is what it is. It's one of those things that just happens in mulching. It's either the liner, the heel, a knife, or a holder, really, or a hose issue. Those are like the main hot spots of mulchers. You don't normally have issues with like pumps and stuff. Hey, is this where I come to, He can't hear me. That's so funny. Hey, is this where I come to bring my junk?
Oh, are we being official?
Yes, this is where we fix broken stuff, right?
Yes, I'm pretty good at it.
And they asked me if I could weld, and I said yes.
I think you got some bubble gum.
I said I got JB Weld.
Bubble gum and definitely a liquid wrench will fix it.
Liquid wrench?
Yeah.
Okay.
Torch.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right, so...
you want to clean it or not?
Clean it? We're putting new parts on. Oh, no, I already cleaned it. It's all good. We got to just cut it out. Got to basically get it out, whatever. But I brought it here first before we did anything. So I figured we'd pull it into the garage and look at it. All right. What are these 2x4s rated for? You think they can hold a head? All right, so what happened is basically the bolts wore out here, and then I back dragged and stuff got caught behind the heel and shoved it forward, and as the knives rotated into it, they just started self-clearancing, and now it's a mess. So now we'll get it cleaned up. We have a pressure washer, Wade. What are you doing? You're gonna make a mess on the pavement. You're gonna make a mess on the pavement.
I'll pressure wash. It's gonna be all wet.
Well, now that we got our look on it, oh my God, it's gonna stain. That's swamp mud. That's south of Okeechobee mud. That's, you can count more gators than birds on the water, Okeechobee. All right, let's get some of these bolts off. All right, let's turn it on actually. All these bolts are going to be bent, most likely, so they're going to be a little tougher to get out than normal. Little bird! And we're just going to upgrade to the big dog.
She did not like my hat.
Cool, let's get the big battery.
And they can do, right, obviously need help. But then you get to the back and it's like, oh, you want a certificate of completion? Look how cute. And you got great job, little farmer. Thank you. I was a customer. I bought it.
Pretty good.
Yeah, thanks. Go buy my color book on Amazon. Baby animals on the farm, ages 3 to 5. Cute little interactive pages.
Yay! Yay! Merch! Get your merch! Alright, let's get to work. These are not normally this hard to get out. These ones took a beating. It's all good. New one's coming. Well, Wade fixed it too fast. I'm kidding. It's been. Oh,
your steel-toed boots when you do it.
Look at that. They fucking cut it. Those are knife cuts. The knife just went straight through it. This is what, 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch?
8.
That's crazy. That's so cool. Forestry.
That's a freaking, that cut bolts from the other side, dude.
Yeah, let's go read the
This
instructions.
is the carriage bolt. It bolts from the other side
So we're upside down.
for that part of it.
Well, now that we're free, I'm gonna get the rest. Ooh, that's stiff. I'm gonna get the rest of the bolts off. I don't like it. It's normally not that stiff. Oh boy. Oh well. I'll get bolts off or knives off. We'll be a smooth drum. Then we'll have all the room we need. That's a nice hammer, ain't it?
Nice.
That's nice. I'm just saying.
Milwaukee. I can't believe the teeth are dull after doing that.
They were brand new too. It was the first job.
Shredder teeth.
These were the first. This was like, I think we got like half an acre done, and it was like gone.
That had to be.
Had to come home, get the pecan. Oh well. All right. Also, one thing I find odd is the paint. I hope this is just a prototype paint, but it's like the paint is like peeling, like it's acid washing off. I don't know what that's all about. Let's see if we can do this without breaking stuff.
I'll have to do something to keep it from rolling over, which it might not roll over now.